In a world where family dynamics are constantly evolving, the timeless wisdom found in the Bible provides invaluable guidance on nurturing strong and loving relationships within the family unit. Rooted in the teachings of Jesus Christ, these scriptures offer profound insights into the principles of love, forgiveness, and unity that are essential for building resilient families. 1. Love one another, John 13 verse 34. Jesus' commandment to love one another as I have loved you encapsulates the foundation of familial relationships. By demonstrating selfless love and compassion towards one another, family members can cultivate an atmosphere of mutual respect and support. 2. Honoring parents, Matthew 19 verse 19. The Bible emphasizes the importance of honoring and respecting parents as a cornerstone of family dynamics. In Matthew 19 verse 19, Jesus reaffirms the commandment to honor your father and mother, recognizing the role of parents in nurturing and guiding their children. 3. Prioritizing family, Matthew 18 verse 20. Jesus reminds us of the significance of family gatherings and communal worship in Matthew 18 verse 20, stating, "For where 2 or 3 gather in my name, there am I with them." By prioritizing family time and shared spiritual experiences, families can deepen their bonds and strengthen their faith together. 4. Forgiveness and reconciliation, Matthew 6 verse 14. Forgiveness is a central theme in Jesus' teachings, with Matthew 6 verse 14 emphasizing the importance of forgiving others in order to receive forgiveness from God. By practicing forgiveness and reconciliation within the family, individuals can foster healing and restoration, promoting harmony and unity. 5. Building on a strong foundation, Matthew 7 verses 24 to 25. Jesus uses the analogy of a house built on rock versus sand to illustrate the importance of building our lives and families on a solid foundation of faith and obedience to God's Word. By anchoring our families in the teachings of Jesus, we can weather life's storms and emerge stronger together. 6. Serving one another, Mark 10 verse 45. In Mark 10 verse 45, Jesus teaches that true greatness comes from serving others rather than seeking power or authority. By adopting a servant's heart within the family, members can cultivate humility, empathy, and a spirit of selflessness, fostering a culture of care and support. 7. Encouraging and edifying, 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 11. The Apostle Paul's exhortation in 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 11 to encourage one another and build each other up underscores the importance of positive affirmation and support within the family. By uplifting and edifying one another, family members can create an environment of encouragement and empowerment. Incorporating these timeless teachings into our family lives can have a transformative impact, fostering deeper connections, resilience, and spiritual growth. As we strive to embody the love, forgiveness, and unity exemplified by Jesus Christ, we can cultivate thriving families that reflect God's grace and goodness to the world.